Okay, integrals of the here some particular functions of the third type. Second type, first type is without under root. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is equals to 1 by 2a logarithm of a plus x a by a minus x plus c. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equals to 1 by 2a logarithm of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx is equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. These are the first type, means three types. With under root we are going to have. Under root के साथ भी होता है. Integration of 1 by under root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a. Integration of 1 by under root of a square plus x square is equals to logarithm of modulus x plus under root of a square plus x square plus c. A square plus x square क्या है? Okay, x square minus a square. Next one is integration of 1 by under root of x square minus a square is equals to logarithm of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. These are the different six types of the second type में आ जाए. Third type we are going to have the function means the expressions will be in the form of the numerator instead of the one linear expression will be there like this. Numerator is linear expression, that is nothing but integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c is one type. Integration of px plus q by integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay, so this is a one type of the model. Whenever these type of the model question is given to you, the numerator you need to consider as a is equals to px plus q, whatever it is there, that should be considered as a into differentiation of the denominator plus b. Actually here it is variables are there, that's why you may get confused little bit. But if without variables numbers if it is given to you, the problem becomes easy. So what you need to do here, bx plus q, d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c is 2ax plus b plus c. So comparing the coefficient, x coefficient is comparing means p value 2a cap 2 capital A आएगा, b value q minus ab आएगा. Then p and q values you need to replace that. P is equals to here a values, a value is p by 2a आएगा, p by 2a 2ax plus b, and b value is, that is nothing but actually this is what here, this completely px plus q only, ये px plus q ही है, this is px plus q है, but px plus q we are writing in another form, that is some constant into the differentiation of denominator. Denominator का differentiation है. Now we are going to split this one. This part you are going to write it as a px plus q है ना. That px plus q is written as the numerator like this. By denominator ax square plus bx plus c is as it is. Now what you have to split? You have to split this one. P by 2a is a constant. 2ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c dx. And integration of q minus ab by ax square plus bx plus c dx. So here we are going to get the two integrals, two parts we are going to get. We are splitting the complete into two parts. First part is p by 2a into integration of 2ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. So now this you have to integrate. Second one is q minus ab. ये तो completely constant है. ये completely constant है ना. So this by integration of ax square 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. So now this integration first I1 can be find out in easiest way, that because integration of f dash of x by f of x form में, integration of f dash of x by f of x. F dash of x means denominator derivative is numerator में, ये f of x मान लो, ऊपर f dash of x is there. So that is nothing but if you consider this complete expression as a some t you consider substitution method में. So what you are going to get, this one if you completely t consider कर ले तो इसका डेरिवेटिव ये ही है. This one into dx is equal to dt आ जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना. So dt by t आएगा. dt by t means log t आएगा. So t value क्या है, denominator. So logarithm of denominator. The given integral is in the form of integration of f dash of x by f of x. is equals to logarithm of f of x. That is nothing but you are going to get this one as a p by 2a into logarithm of in the modulus ax square plus bx plus c आ जाएगा. But this is plus c, no need to write. Yes, whatever I told, ax square plus bx plus c is considered as a t. Then 2ax plus b dx is equals to dt आ जाएगा. 2ax plus b dx is equals to dt. Now this if you are replacing dt by t आ जाएगा. dt by t is nothing but logarithm of modulus log mod t. So that is nothing but p by 2a log mod t आएगा. t replaced by ax square plus bx plus c. t you replace by ax square plus bx plus c plus c1 is why it is taken, because complete integration is divided into two parts. In the upper line you can see that the first one is going to have the c1, second one is going to have the c2. The second part I2 means the second integral. Second part of the integral can be find out. Q minus capital AB is a constant. Is a constant. That is a constant. So 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. This 1 by ax square plus bx plus c will be written as by using the completing square method. By using completing square method, you can write this as a in the form of x plus b by 2a whole square plus under root of 4ac minus b square by a square. ये क्या है? Completing square method. In the 10th class you have learned. You need to write this one as a completing square method use करके split करते हैं हम लोग. So in the same way, here when you are using the completing square method, the complete expression is going to be converted into the any one of these forms. Or first type. Some particular type में first type भी हो सकता है. First type में आ जाएगा because we are going to have denominator में either you may have the x square minus a square form, denominator में a square minus x square form, or denominator में x square minus a square. This second part, but here this is complete. देखो ये x plus b by 2a है ना, x plus b by 2. Sir, you may get doubt, sir, this x plus b by 2a किधर से आया? Completing square method. Completing square method. While solving the problem easily, you can understand here. You have to write this ax square plus bx plus c using the completing square method in the what way we are going to split. In the same way we need to split here. Okay. So that is the one thing you have to remember. Using completing square method, we need to bring this one into the form of the x square minus a square or a square minus x square or x square plus a square. After bringing that, this is in the what form you are having? X square plus a square form में है. X is x place में x plus b by 2a. X place में x plus b by 2a. So that is only the difference you are going to have here when you are solving this. So any one of these three forms you are going to get it. ये three forms में एक form में आ जाएगा. So that is the first model. Second model is under root के साथ same question px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c we are going to. Under root of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So when you are taking this model of the question here, same model px plus q should be considered as a into denominator. Denominator अधिकता under root नहीं, same model है, same as it is you need to consider here. d by dx of the denominator plus b. On simplification, what you are going to get a into the denominator for differentiation is 2ax plus b plus b. And next, after multiplying 2a capital Ax plus ab plus b. So x coefficient, comparing the coefficient means either x का coefficient p है left hand side में, right hand side में 2a है. So that is, and here left hand side constant is q है, and here constant is ab plus b है. So then from that capital A is equals to p by 2a we are going to get, capital B is equals to q minus ab we are going to get. So from this, on replacing these a and b values, whatever we have to consider only. Why we are considering? The given expression should be split into the different forms. Expression को split करना पड़ता है. So p by 2a into. So again you are going to get 2ax plus b means f dash x by under root of f of x we are going to get it. This is first integral and this is second integral you need to consider. A first integral है, second, two parts we are going to get. And इसको split करने के लिए इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f dash of x by अंडर रूट ऑफ f of x we are going to. So इसके लिए क्या करना, ये अंडर रूट में क्या है उसको t कंसिडर करो. Same model. So what you are going to get, 1 by root t we are going to get finally. If you consider this as a ax square plus bx plus c equal to t, 2ax plus b dx equal to dt आ जाएगा. So न्यूमरेटर में dt हो जाएगा, dt by अंडर रूट ऑफ t हो जाएगा. So 1 by root t का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, integration of 1 by root t, t to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 means we are going to get root t है ना, t to the power of minus 1 by 2. So integration is we are going to 2 root t है. Integration of 1 by root t is 2 root t plus c1. So root t value क्या है, ax square plus bx plus c, that is replaced. p by a 2 will get cancelled, p by a into under root of ax square plus bx plus c plus c1, p by a into under root of, ये तो हो गया है. The second part what you are going to get, second part also in the same way, under the denominator whatever it is there, that should be converted into the completing square method से convert करना है. Completing square method से convert करने के बाद any one of the forms of the 3 different forms we are what we have learned in a particular type of the questions with under root. Under root वाला है ना, I already told you ना, everything is interlinked. You need to learn. If you are not learning these formulas, these problems cannot be solved. समझ में आ रहा है, ये मॉडल का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हैं आप if you are not learning this one, because these 3 are compulsory है. So integration of 1 by under root of x square minus x square equal to logarithm of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. This we have already I told you in the starting of the class. So any one of these forms में आ जाएगा. So after getting that into the form, then we are going to get it this one. Okay. So this is the different model of the questions we are having here.